Are you looking to grow your YouTube channel? Visit now web@exchange.com. Watch best of YouTube videos.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Web Ad Exchange. I'm Akash with another amazing video. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Android Studio on your PC, on your 32 Windows operating system. Alright, so just go to Google and type Android Developer. Once you type Android Developer, click on developer.android.com index.html, and then you'll be landing to this page. Click on Get Android Studio. Then remember this one, if you click directly, it will download only for laptop. Alright, so click on Read the doc or go to download options directly, and then click on this 32-bit. Alright, Android Studio 32-bit. Here you can see this one you have to download. Alright, this is 738 MB as if now, as if date. Alright, so just go and click this with it, which comes with no installer. Alright, click this, install this, and I'll come back with I'll be deleting short of video, so it will save your time. Alright guys, now you can see here it has been downloaded. Now I have extracted this. Yeah, so you also extract this. Once you extract, then what have to do, go to Android Studio, go to bin. Once you go to bin, you have to remember this, you don't have to click this Studio 64, you have to click this Studio which shows application. Alright, click on this Studio application, run this. I prefer Dracula, but you can go with IntelliJ. Alright, I prefer Dracula. Alright, you can see finally it got downloaded. Alright, now click on finish, and you'll find something like this screen. Go to configure, go to SDK manager, looking for updates, wait. Alright, now you can see these are the all SDK platforms, or you can say what we can say this Components, sorry, I have forgotten completely. So these components, if you want to install, then click all of them. You can also check package details if you click this. Let me show you. See, it also shows you package details individually. Yeah, so click all and then okay. Okay, don't click apply, click directly okay. Again, this will take another 1 hour, I guess. It depends on your internet. Click on accept, next, and wait again, wait and wait.
Did you enjoyed watching our video? Let us know in below comments. Kindly subscribe to our channel Web Ad Exchange and click on the notification for upcoming videos.